Hello creative mind, welcome home. I'm Survival and I'll be showing you the breakdown of how I played the song. So this is what I play using my right hand. Basically I'm using three chords, which is so do mi, la do fa, and then so ti re. Those are the three chords I'm using. So for my left hand, this is what I play. So this is what I play using my left hand. Do, fa, la. So, ti, re, do, fa, la. Do, fa, la. So, ti, re, do, fa, la. But sometimes I use this style again. Do, fa, la. Re, so, ti, re, do, fa, la. Do, fa, la. Re, so, ti, re, do, fa, la. So I will try to take it gradually. So I used another different variation again. It's just a kind of picking these ones. It's the same chord, but I'm a kind of picking these ones one by one. Or will I say rubbing it? So this is what I play using my right hand. If you are new to my channel and you want to be notified whenever I upload new videos online, I will advise you to use the subscribe button and click on the notification bell. With that, it will enable you to get notification anytime I upload new videos online. If you learned one or two things from my videos, please click the like button and share with your friends so that others will know that my videos have some useful content. I would so much love to hear from you. I would so much appreciate your comments. And if there is any tutorial you want me to make, please drop it as a comment. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. God bless you.